Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Histogram Chart Widget is a bar chart that helps you visualize the cycle time distribution by showing how many work items had cycle time in specific time ranges. You can use this widget to see how fast your team delivers, how many work items were resolved within the expected time frame, and how many were not. You can configure it to measure the duration in the form of cycle time, lead time, or time between two workflow statuses. Cycle time is the processing time between the moment your team started working on the item and when they marked it as completed. Lead time is the time from when the item was reported to when it was delivered to the customer, so the total time from the customer's perspective. While these metrics are critical in any Kanban project, they are extremely useful in service desk, ITSM, software development, or any operational project. Now, let's see how this widget can be configured. Let's say you want to see the cycle time distribution for the work items solved by your team in the last 100 days. First, configure the widget to use a board or a shared query containing the items worked by your team. Then configure the cycle start to be the entry in an in-progress status, and the end of the cycle to be the entry in a completed category status. You can also choose to display the average line, or percentiles. And look, the chart is now displayed. To identify how many work items took longer than expected, you will need to set a threshold for the acceptable duration. And now, the red bars will show the number of outliers. To measure the lead time, you can do exactly the same. The only difference will be the start of the cycle, which in this case, must be set to the item creation. The widget can also display a data tab with a detailed report, which can be easily exported to CSV format. It gives you many fine-tuning options, and it lets you configure the colors. Install great gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.